In the name of God, my name is Parsa Surush and this is CS50x final project. First, I have to thank CS50x community in Harvard University, especially Professor Malin, and also CS50x Tehran, which has given us this great opportunity. My final project is about expense tracker app. Here is my final app. As you can see, there are several options provided for the user. One of them is to show yearly expenses. As you can see, the user can give year input, for example, 2025, and see the monthly separated expenses here. The other option is show categorical chart, which separate expenses by their categories. And the last option is adding new expenses. As you can see, we can determine, for example, we can change the year, for example, to 2022 and the month of July. And for example, the date, day 220, the amount of $145 and the category of, for example, cake. The description may be just a test, but if we don't enter any description, nothing will happen and it won't be an error, but just in case. And for example, test. As you can see, it has been added, and if we go back to the main window and then show categorical chart, you can see that this new expense has been added. And also if we change this to 2022, we can see that this new expense has been added to July expenses as shown in here, which was $145. Here is the final codes for this, which are three main .py files, and in each, for example, in .main.py, we have explained the main window, which contains the options we had. In expense record, we have defined the categorical and monthly plots, and also their formula to calculate each. For example, in this function and in plot monthly function, and each details have been illustrated in that specific function. And in window.py, we have save expense and the minor window used for our second for adding new expenses.